Kasuka Mikhalaya Kahapan Pan Jarap Nuska Assam, Pan Palang Katukani Kidawai, Covaxin, Nang Praban Aitika, Hiksamla Puli Kidwan Pai, Shawarjala. Have a Kremlin Mutri Tanko Kabi Elhek, they took the lady he like Kremlin Tinambak Ska Assam, Uhimantabis Wasarma, Pan Pai Kidawai. Ubahek Tuba, Kajing Pan Mikhalaya, Yakidawai Covaxin, Naga Assam, Krinamar Kamikhalaya, Kamshimapan, what tongue with the white Covaxin ru, Pan Aitika, Papa, and Amtabaya, Kalam Kubit Hakan Kajala.
Then I personally also spoken to Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Mr. Himanta Sharma, and spoken to him about the co-vaccine. As you know, we have not, in Meghalaya, we have not invented not a single co-vaccine, but we have to request the government of Assam, the Honorable Chief Minister, which has already committed to send, today will be arriving almost 400 bites, that those people, so many students, those are studying outside and working outside, they have taken the first jab of co-vaccines outside the states, and we are also gearing up and preparations will be prepared to give the second dose of co-vaccine in our states. So this is all about the preparations from our health department to ensure the maximum services to the people.